Hey everybody, what is going on? I hope you guys are all doing well, and welcome to another tutorial video. In this video, I'll be explaining to you guys how you can turn backup off or how to turn off auto upload on mobile devices for Google Photos. So let's get right into it. Now, backups and auto uploads are pretty much the exact same thing. They're pretty much synonymous, and you can turn it on or off at any given moment. Now, this is currently available only on the mobile devices. It is not available on PC, so I'll be skipping that part, but the way you turn this off is pretty simple, and I'll go over the steps which you can see on my screen right now. Now, it is as easy as just going into the Google Photos app and signing into your account. Then at the top right, you just want to click on your profile picture or initial, and then go into the Photos settings and go into backup. And from here, you will be able to disable backup if you so choose. Now, you might be having trouble. However, this should appear only if you're trying to turn it on, and that is if your application doesn't have the right permissions. And to give the right permissions, if you're having any sort of trouble, you just go into the settings app, go into privacy, and then into photos, and just tap on and turn on Google Photos, and that should solve your problem. And that's pretty much it. Hope you guys enjoyed, and I'll be seeing you guys in another video.